So hi guys, so I just want to make a video. I'll be real quick, okay? I'll not take much of your time. So honestly, I'll tell you guys that GATE exam has the power to change your life, okay? So now I'm not trying to scare you off that like 3 hours and it will be your life or death situation. It's not like that, okay? So don't take it otherwise. So I am telling you that this exam can fetch you the biggest things in life, okay? So why I am telling you this, so let's write it down. Sorry, I haven't erased it out. So GATE has the power to change your life. Why I am saying you this? Because this exam can obviously this exam can fetch you to IITs and ITs, so you all know that, okay? So but the amount of knowledge or the confidence you will have in you is immense, okay? So I'm not just telling you by seeing some meme, okay? So it's not like that, okay? So why I am telling this? Because I have my own personal experience. I will share with you in a bit. But so it is a part of life, okay? GATE exam is a part of your life. It's not your whole life. So your whole life doesn't depend on this exam, okay? I have failed twice in this exam and still I am doing I think okay. I'm not I haven't reached heights or anything, but yeah, I can tell you that I am doing okay with my life. So don't take it like a whole life and start anxieties and all. So obviously I have already told you to take some breaks, but when you come back with more energy, okay? So when you are like taking some break, like you are going out with your friends or meeting family, extended family or relatives, so don't talk with them about GATE. But when you come back and sit for your again, like studying or in front of your laptop or computers, so come back with a bang, okay? So like that. So I'll tell you with no restrictions at that time. So this exam has the power to change your life. How it is like this, okay? So I can tell you this exam has given me yeah, I am studying at IIT Kharagpur, but the total journey, like my whole preparation journey has given me a lot of confidence. So I think one of my BTech friend, he tagged me in this I should not call it me, that Kota Factory. I think Kota Factory, I think you all have heard about it. It is accessible in English also if you are not able to understand Hindi, because I have some friends who don't understand Hindi, but say I mean in my batch there are people who don't understand Hindi, so I'm assuming there are might be some people who don't understand Hindi. So I have seen Netflix, the Kota Factory is available in English, okay? So I just got deviated. Anyways, so thing is Kota Factory, there is a dialogue by Jitu Bhaiya that IIT इसलिए करो क्योंकि टफ है, टफ चीज़ों में कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. So I'll translate it in English. So try for IITs. So this is Kota Factory is basically for IIT JEE aspirants, okay? So anyways you can relate if you are also struggling with, like you are studying like doing your hustling, so you will obviously relate to this or aspirants. There is another aspirants, you can watch that also, okay? So the thing is Kota Factory, the dialogue was, so if you are trying for IITs, so do try because it is tough, and if you try for something which is tough, it will give you immense amount of confidence, okay? So I haven't watched the season 2, okay? Season 1 I have watched, but season 2 I haven't watched. I haven't got time to watch series, but I will do watch it, okay? So my friend tagged me in that meme. I don't know if I should call it meme or not, but this is actually truth, where I was saying that I did not start it like that, try for IITs and like that, but in the process I gain a lot of confidence. How and everything I will tell you. So anyways, you are all studying now, right? You are studying for GATE. This preparation, the amount of knowledge you are gathering is more like it's total different thing. So whatever you are studying in BTech in private colleges and you are studying for GATE is on another level. Like studying in, see, I am from a private engineering college, I am like this, and the GATE level is like this, okay? So now I can tell you the difference between this because since I'm studying in IIT Kharagpur, so I have to rack my brain before everything. Even if some test, I remember physics and instrumentation test, I have to read research papers before sitting for the exam, just a mid-semester exam, not a whole semester exam also. So the preparation you are doing is in another level. So that's it. So I'll tell you my story, since I think I haven't told any living soul. I have told my mother only this. See, it's better to share so that people do understand. See, where I have prepared for GATE and I have failed, but before that, at least I have the knowledge inside my head at least. But when I was in Mumbai, I got into some troubles. You know, I was crying a lot. But back then I did not understood this, or maybe I did not want to understand this. But now when I look back and I see that why I cried, because I knew in my heart, I knew that I don't possess the knowledge to crack any good interviews or get any other good job. Okay, so in my head I knew it, but I wasn't going to like accept the fact. I knew, but I wasn't accepting. Are you getting my point? So I knew the thing, but I wasn't accepting the fact was a different thing, because I don't know, like I don't possess knowledge, so it is like a humiliating thing for me. So that's it. But when I started my preparation, so when I left Mumbai and I started preparation a lot of time later. So my mother was continuously telling me that start your preparation and everything, but I was the coward one. I wasn't taking a lot of time to decide something. But you know, even though I failed twice in this exam, okay, so failure is not an issue of knowledge. Okay, so even though I failed twice the exam, but I had the knowledge inside my head. Okay, so first time you can say that I haven't completed anything. Second time I failed because of anxiety or everything. I blanked out in exam and a lot of things happened, so I have mentioned in another video, so I'm not going to go in depth to make this video longer. So you know, I had the knowledge inside my head, okay, but I wasn't able to perform, but I had the knowledge. So that is very big thing. Okay, so you know, my dadu, he was a teacher. He died actually a long time back because of cancer. So he told me that bidya kokhono churi jay na. Okay, so this is a Bengali. In Bengali he said that everything in life can be stolen from your wealth, your degree, your books, everything, but the knowledge you possess in your brain cannot be stolen. Okay, so this is very, very important. I understood it. So this is very important. See, if someone steals my notes or my degree, I mean, I don't have IIT KGP degree or anything for now. So even if that is stolen somehow, but the knowledge I possess, it will never be stolen. I can still write it down, I can still do it from scratch. Okay, so that is very, very important. So knowledge cannot be stolen. So let me write it down here. So even though I failed in GATE last year, but I knew that I have the knowledge. So this gave me some confidence to start again, start afresh. Okay, so because I knew that I have the knowledge, if I prepare, I will get it. So are you getting my point, that even if you fail or anything, you have the knowledge, you are preparing a lot. Okay, you guys are preparing a lot and you have the knowledge to crack any exam. Okay, so this GATE, I'm not telling you about GATE, you can crack like ISRO, BAR, there are a lot of exams, right? So you can crack those exams also. So let me tell you. So sorry for the interruption. So this exam gave me so much of confidence, you know. See, I am always been an underconfident person, even though I am still an underconfident person. But I will tell you, see, if after master degree there are two options, either you go for PhD or you go for job. Okay, so I was thinking like that even if I get nothing out of my master's degree, like IIT Kharagpur, see, I don't get any PhD somewhere good or some job, anything, but I still have the knowledge and I can take like tutor some students and I can get some money and I can earn my livelihood like this. Why I am telling you this? See, I am not see, don't think like that I am taking money from anyone. Okay, I am not taking. Okay, see, there are few mails which really touched my heart, I will tell you. see few people one mail I remember explicitly that he told me that ma'am, as a token of appreciation, I will pay, I am ready to pay anything. Okay, so I told him that you can send me mails and I will reply to you all. Okay, so I am not taking any money. If I start doing this for my living, I have to take money, I will have no other choice. But for now, see this, because I have the knowledge, I have started this YouTube channel, some people are watching obviously, so under all the appreciation mails I get, so I got the confidence that yeah, I can earn a livelihood by doing this also. Even if I get nothing out of my master's degree, I don't get PhDs or this jobs, anything. So if you're asking me for, I get asked mails that placement, and I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I have no idea about placements. If I get to go to like campus, I will. If I get some knowledge, I will share with you guys. But I don't have which company, like how to register and what are the scenarios, anything. I have no idea. So I have not asked anyone. Sorry, my phone got switched off. Okay, so I have to merge video. Anyway, so anyways, so I was saying that, see, now you are seeing that I am uploading videos and permutations combinations. I am, if you are thinking like that I am studying permutations and combinations, it's not like that. Okay, I think the last thing I studied yesterday and today morning I was at my uncle's place. Yesterday I was doing I had to do some assignments, and I was studying some IEEE prep paper, and before that I was doing image processing, and I had exam image processing and statistics. So I haven't studied permutation combinations like the last day, whenever the last day I uploaded video. So how I am able to do this? Because the only thing, because I have practiced. Not, see, this year I have got some rank, not very good one, but previously even if I had failed the exam because of my anxiety issues, but I had the knowledge. Okay, so I had the knowledge, so I have practiced a lot. I have practiced so much, that's why I can come out of my room and come in this room, and I can make videos, and I can I make videos, I can explain you in anything, okay, anything related to this. So the questions I get a few days back, I think a week back, I was studying I think image processing I was studying, and I got a question of computer networks. Okay, so in WhatsApp message I got a question of computer networks. So he or she, I don't know, them sent me a photo, and I just by seeing that photo I can say that yeah, it's a question of GATE previous year's question, because I have practiced, and that's why, see, I did not want to, I had no intention of remembering things. Okay, so I am like very bad at remembering things, so even formulas. Okay, so because I have practiced so much, that's why I can tell you that yeah, I have that's why I can, by just seeing the question, I have answered that question. And because I have practiced so much, even though I have failed in the exam previously, but on the knowledge I had was there inside me. So so not to make this video any longer, so just think it out. Okay, so think about this video that I am going to upload now, this video. So that this exam has the power to change your life. So not just the exam, but the preparation also. Let get exam preparation, let's write it down, preparation, exam and preparation, so the both thing. So this preparation has the power to change your life. Okay, so you will not just go into some good institutions, but this journey and the knowledge you will possess is going to immensely help you. Okay, and obviously the knowledge will be there, the confidence, the amount of confidence you will have inside you. See, I am the least confident person you will see. You will you are watching my videos and all, you might not understand it, but I am, like, the people who know me personally will be able to say this, but I am a least confident person. But because of this exam, I can tell you, if a person like me can get something out of this exam and have the knowledge and teach some students, you can do way better than me. Okay, so way better than me, so I can guarantee you this. So the preparation, if you are feeling bored and anything, so think it like that. This preparation is going to get you a lot of things in life. Okay, so all the best, guys. So please prepare well. So don't think like we have 4 months left, what to do, and etc. So don't think it like this. Okay, don't take anxieties and everything, but do it like plan your day ahead, like maintain a journal or anything. So plan your day, don't excessively take tension on everything, but do prepare well, very well. Okay, prepare very well, that is very very important. Other things doesn't matter, your preparation does matter, like what rank, what college and everything. We can always decide this after the exam. After February you ask me which college, anything about my experience. Okay, I'm not able to, I can at least guide you which YouTube channels you should watch, but what rank, what college, tally and everything, don't think about this now. After exam, whatever the exam date is given to you, think after that, not before that, not before whatever the February first week or second week will be exam, so not before that. Just prepare well. So I have given you the reason why you should prepare for the exam. Now you see the reason, this video properly, and think. Okay, so think why I am giving you the reason, so you think properly and then start preparation with bang. Okay, like this. So take some break, but come back with your full potential, more than potential you had before taking that break. Okay, so bye guys, I will upload circular permutations now. Okay, I have to charge my phone. Bye.